Hello guys, good evening. How are you? How are you, ma'am?
I'm good, and you?
I am also fine.
Okay.
I can introduce myself. My name is Sneha and she is Ravina. We will discuss about some generalized topic that can be important for us. So firstly, I can ask a first question. Ma'am. Are you comfortable with me?
Yeah.
So firstly, how much time do you spend on social media?
Okay, that is very tough question. but I have to give answer. Yeah. So around like you can say 2 hours and YouTube and LinkedIn and some of the time Insta. That's it. WhatsApp also. Okay. So
So my next question is that is technology making life better or worse?
exactly. In today's time, everything depends on the technology. If you are a student and if you don't have knowledge about technology, then you can't do more thing in future. So also technology is very important. You doing well? Okay, thank you. And yeah, so she is my ma'am, and she is very inspiring for us. Okay, yeah, technology is very important in today's time.
Okay, so third question is that which app do you use the most and why?
Okay, I mostly use the app like LinkedIn and also WhatsApp. Again, like as a college student, you have to keep update WhatsApp in every second and in every minute, because in every hour a notification came from college. So I also always active on WhatsApp, and like I also active on LinkedIn, because as a student we have to build network, and LinkedIn is one of the best platform where you can connect with people uh, that relates your field and your skills. So LinkedIn is the most important platform where I mostly likely live online.
So my last question is that ma'am, can we live without phone?
No, it's it is not possible. You also know, in today's time, everything depends on the mobile phone, and like everything became digitalized. And if you don't able to do mobile phone, so that is the not good thing. The in today's time, the person who are not educated, also the person have a smartphone. So you know. In today's time, importance of mobile phone is 100%. So without mobile phone we can't live, and in ancient time we can say okay, without water we can't live, but in today's time every people say okay, without mobile phone we can't live. Okay, so can I ask same questions with you?
Yes, ma'am. Of course.
Okay, so exactly. So the first question is, how much time do you spend on social media?
Ma'am, approx I use 2 to 3 hours in a social media, and to I use Insta to see some reels, and also I use LinkedIn and YouTube for shorts.
Okay. So second question is, do you think is technology making life better?
Yes, ma'am, very. In this modern era, we can see that everything is can do with the help of technology. We are totally dependent on technology. In this era, we can see that everything is automatic. That we cannot do anything, and we can only depend on switch that two things that can be occur in our life every day, like on and off. So this is the main thing we can see in everywhere, that every person use the technology, and without technology we can also see that no one can be run. In ancient time we can see that many people slave, and they don't use any technology, but this time we can see that everything can be run with the help of technology. Like we can see that our study, with the help of technology, with the help of mobile phones, laptop, we can perform this study, and we can make many technology that can help to the people. Also see that many washing machine, cooler, many AC, everything can be depend upon technology. But in the ancient time, we can see that people can do, and people are hardworking. But in this time, we can see that all people are very lazy. She is totally dependent on automation. That can be automatic work.
Yeah, exactly. And just so the third question is, which app do you use the most and why?
Ma'am, firstly, I see the YouTube most, because for the study purpose and also for the entertainment purpose. So we can see that many lectures can be going on YouTube, like live videos, and many not a live videos, but only for the lecturer videos, and many topics to learn. And many things we can do with the help of YouTube, like many related to many project. So I can spend some time on YouTube, and also perform this some time on LinkedIn. That we can know that in sitting a home, and we can do many jobs because of LinkedIn. It is the biggest platform that everyone can use. And when we post everything what we do, what we get the knowledge, what we have skill, then in the base of this study and skill, we can make a things life better. Like without going to any places, we search the many jobs, that which jobs are very best, and which company is good, which employer doing which work. And also we can see that many employees, many billionaire people can send some things that what we can do. So we can see that this is the best app for the student, and also for anyone that can use the social media.
Yeah, that's great. And the last question is, can we live without mobile phones?
Never, ma'am. Because in this era, everything can be depend upon technology. We can discuss. So also we can see that when a small child also use a mobile phone. Without mobile phone, they can be weak. That they cannot live, they cannot eat. So we can see that everything is made up of technology, and everything can be dependent on technology. Without technology, we cannot learn also anything. Like we can know about anything, we can explain anything. We can also make a videos to post how we can improve our skills. Everything can be going on through the social media and technology. So I can prefer.
Okay, guys, so that's all about today. So don't mind about grammatical mistakes, because we are in learning phase. And if you also want to learn English and want to join with us, so you can message in comment box, so I'll connect you. Okay, so that's all about today. I'll continue tomorrow.
Bye,
Okay,
guys.
thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.